A wonderful good day and a warm welcome to a new video. Here at Mercedes, we've changed the oil and now we want to reset the service. This is the Mercedes C-Class W203. Model year 2004, so let's get started. First, let's turn the ignition on. Refilling the fresh water isn't the issue. We can already see the service indicator. Now we press the buttons here until the service indicator shows up again. Let's press this button here. Press and hold. Then the whole thing will switch over, so to reset the service interval, hold the reset button for 3 seconds. Then a sound will come, indicating it's been reset, and that's all there is to it, folks. Here's a short, crisp video on how to reset the service on a Mercedes. It's really straightforward and simple to do. Just turn on the ignition, press the buttons around until the service menu is displayed, hold the reset button until you hear the signal sound, then press the reset button briefly one more time, and you're all set. Easy as that. And you're good to go. No hassle at all. If this helped you out, or if you enjoyed it, hit that thumbs up, drop a subscription, and I'll catch you in the next one. Bye for now.